Okay, Andy. Good morning, everyone. Today's date 4 only, no? Right. So the last class we concluded constructors indirectly. Today I'll make a repetition. Anybody tried this and raise your hands? Anybody? Very good. I also will give a solution to you. From there, one small information is that if anybody reading pin code is you took integer. After reading pin code, if you're trying to read any mail ID, the mail ID will be skipped. Have you observed anybody? Anybody getting skipping of data? When you're reading from the keyboard, one skip of data will come, right? Okay. I'll explain that bit clearly to you. Anyway, so let me repeat what has been happened up to now in these 3 weeks actually. First week is introduction week. Without your knowledge, we came to 4th week closing, right? See, time is how precious, and if you waste the time will be wasted. You observe that, I think. So without our knowledge, we traveled up to 3 weeks. Observe that or not now? Because of this reason, time also, we people also will be pressured. The time pressure will be there for me also. Because of this, student has to work more at home when compared to here. You must work more anyway. The assignment, few assignments what are pending, I'll sit on one Saturday and write it. One Saturday, I'll do a practical class to you. On that day, I'll write it one Saturday. And what are the interview questions will be there now? Fibonacci series, reversing a number, such questions will be there. Some important questions. That we take a list and we write, one Saturday we write it. Like this we do generally. Meanwhile, our course will be going on. Variable, method, block, constructor, packages. This is our syllabus. Our syllabus part will be going on. Your interview questions also depends upon your syllabus part. But that part we are covering and coming slowly, the syllabus part. So in that process, we covered 4 components from your Java. Directly or indirectly, I'll scroll back. So on the day 1, I said, core Java will be concentrating on programming components, that is Java alphabets, I said. So on that day, given a list to you, Java alphabets will be 7 to you. Today you got 4 alphabets: variable, method, block, and constructor. I'll repeat it. Data types in Java are categorized into 2 types. That is a root of your syllabus actually. That there only the starting point will be there. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive means single value. Non-primitive means group. Up to now, under non-primitive, class only came. Remaining 3 not entered. Interface not entered. Array not entered. Enum not entered. Only class. Sir, class is a group or sir means? Yes. Class can hold variable. Class can hold method. Class can hold block. Class can hold constructor. So class is a group now. So the group representation, we call it as a non-primitive. That's on the theory. So primitive data type, non-primitive data type. Under primitive, we had integer data types, float data types, character data type, and Boolean data type. By subcategory, byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, Boolean. Up to now, byte and short we not used anywhere. So they are going to be used specially. Moreover, the flow will be going on. What we are not using now, at the ending we conclude them. That is the way we do it. So whatever we want, we'll use and go. Wherever we want, you're using float. Wherever you want, you're using long and going. Whatever the remaining parts are left, at the ending, we are concluding them. So language means provides all the options. Need not be the condition. We have to use them. That is option. That like this, it provided byte and short somewhere, but they had their own unique usage is there in the streams actually. But you must know primitive data type means byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. This 8 types comes under primitive data types. It's a theory. Non-primitive data types means only 4: class, integer, class, interface, array, and enum. Up to now, class only, still not completed, going on. Still class construction is not over. Still we are constructing. That's a theory. Now, variables means variables are the data holders. Here data means maybe value, maybe reference. Here data means maybe value, maybe reference. So variable can hold value, variable can hold reference. In that way, variables in Java majorly categorized into 2 types: primitive data type variables, non-primitive data type variables. The variables which are declared with primitive data types, we call it as primitive data type variables. The variables which are declared with non-primitive data type, we call it as a non-primitive data type variable. Only 2 types will be there. Primitive data type variables will hold value. Non-primitive data type variables will hold object references. That's a theory. These variables can be declared outside the method, inside the method, belongs to class, belongs to object, like this. Some category is there. In that way, variables are categorized into 2 types: static variable, non-static variable. Static variable means variable declared with a static keyword, we call it as static variable. Variable declared without a static keyword, we call it as non-static variable. The static variable also declared outside the method. You cannot declare static variable inside the method, error will come. Now the static variable will get the memory within the class while class loading and can be accessed with the class name. That's the information to you. This non-static variable, 2 options are there. You can declare outside the method, inside the method. If we declare outside the method, we call it as instance variable. This instance variable will get the memory within the object while object creation access with the object name. The non-static variable declared inside the method, we call it as local variable. This local variable will get the memory within the method frame or within the method, you can say, while method execution. So theory. Finally, by memory location, variables will be only 3 types. 1 in the class, 1 in the object, 1 in the method. So static variable, instance variable, local variable. So there are only 3 types of variable, not more than that. If anybody says 4th variable, you must ask them, where is the memory? Venkatesh, our core Java trainer, means language trainer, said 1 variable will get the memory within the class, 1 variable will get the memory within the object, 1 variable within the method while method execution. If you say 4th variable, show me the memory, where is the memory? If anybody draws memory outside the class, outside the object, outside the method, there is no global variables to you. Because of security, your Java language says that don't keep the memories outside for security. Because of this reason, global variables are not there for us. Clear this point? Right. Now come for the method. Method is an action which do some actions on some variables or values to generate some results. It's a theory. These methods also 2 types: static methods and non-static methods. Among non-static method, only 1 category, that is instance method, because methods cannot be declared inside the method, outside the method. Of course, outside the method is there, inside the method not there. So how many categories in the methods means only 2. That may be static method That may be non-static method or instance method. Static method will get the memory within the class while class loading and can be accessed with the class name. What is the coding rule to be remembered? Static method will get the memory within the class, can access only class variable. It cannot access instance variable. That's a major coding rule. So the method which is declared without a static keyword, we call it as non-static method or instance method. This instance method will get the memory within the object while object creation and can be accessed with the object name. What is the coding rule now? The method available in the object can access instance variable, means object variable, and the method available in the object can access the variable in the class because object came from the class. So instance method can access both variables, static variables and instance variables. That is the theory behind your instance method. In these two methods, two types again. Some will come from library, some we have to define. Means built-in methods and user-defined methods. These methods can be with parameter, without parameter. These methods can be return type, non-return type. Hope you understood. Sir, where to write parameter, where must not write parameter, where return type, where non-return? You don't worry, Andy. In the real-time market for you, SDLC, software development life cycle. In that software development life cycle, analysis will be there, design will be there, then code writing will come. Understood now? Now example, we called one person to construct one room. Example, he also constructor only. I called one person who is standing there, come and construct one room for me. He must not ask a question, where I should construct a window, where I should construct a door. You come and see the plan, design and analysis is there. Understood this mind? You know how to construct the door? Yes. You know how to construct the window? Yes. Then you don't worry, come and see the plan. Then he has to walk in, you have to see the plan. According to the plan, you have to construct it. You must know parameter. Yes, sir. Do you know how to pass the parameter? Yes, sir. Do you know method with parameter, without parameter? Yes, sir. Return type, you practice over now? Yes. Come. There is one analysis there. Design is there. See them and construct it. That's the only point. You need not worry about where to write, how to write. You need not worry. Every company will maintain one analysis. Every company will maintain one design. Based on that, code writer will construct it. Understood this point now? So here, possibilities, when you are learning a language, how are the possibilities available in the language? Whether I am touching all the possibilities and learning or not. That's called learning. Understood this point now? In that process, you know methods. And here, diagrams are available in your book. If possible, read the notebook bit clearly, slowly, line by line. Generally, few students only will read the books. But habit it. So read the book very slowly. Don't see the program anyway. Theoretical is there. Line by line, line by line, line by line, line by line. Read it very carefully. Our books will have some informations. Students will ask us, sir, which book I must buy it, sir? If we can read the book and learn it, why you'll come here? And many books are there, no? Complete reference in Java. Nobody can beat that book, no? Even I also will buy every version. Right? If we can read and analyze one book, you never sit in a room. Classrooms not there, training institutes not there, colleges also not there. A student can read and analyze. Not possible. Somewhere trainer needed. So trainer, what is doing? He taking one concept. On that concept we are analyzing. That only you have to prepare it. That only technical. That is called running notes. So if you read the running notes, no, there's some clear informations are available with one order. You take any Java book and the order will not be there. You take any Java book, parameter will be somewhere, variable will be somewhere, method we can test it out. So one order we keep it. We trainers will keep inside with our experience, we keep them in the order and come. We like a flow, we keep it. That only the student will come and sit in the room. Why they are coming and sitting? Sir, textbooks are available in the market, but keep them in the order, how to remember them. That only our concept. That's called live class now. Live class means someone, now you are remembering now variable, method, block, and one order is coming and total subject will come in the order till the ending. One order we maintain, The order is coming. In that process, methods has been completed to you. So theory, for methods, we draw few diagrams, 1 or 2 diagrams, you observe it. We drawn 1 diagram on variable memories, you have to observe it. After that, we touched blocks. Based on methods only, we bring logical programming structures, while loop, for loop. That you don't touch it any, because that is not object oriented. While loop is not object oriented. For loop is not object oriented. If condition is not object oriented, they are logical programming components attached with object oriented. These logical programming components are common in all the languages. C teacher will train it. C++ teacher, Python teacher, .NET teacher, all will pick that logical codes. The logical code is not object-oriented code. Sir, I not understood while loop, keep aside. I not understood for loop, keep aside. I not understood switch case, keep aside. Because one day we can sit and train it. Nothing is there. Because they are available in all the languages. Understood this point now? So, sir, I want to spend more in logical programming means C teacher will try. C teacher will spend more time in logical codes because he is not object-oriented code writer. He is not object-oriented programmer. He is a normal programmer. He has to work on logical codes only. So he work more on logical codes because 45 to 2 months, what C teacher can do? Syllabus is very less, no? String is there, array is there, function is there, pointer is there, structure is there, union is there, file is there, bit field is there. Beyond that, what he can do? He has to work more because he touches logical components more. For us, abstraction is waiting, polymorphism is waiting, networking is waiting, multi-thread is waiting. We are high-level components now. Difference, you got it now? Because we pick that logical layer in the middle and we give some part. And next week we are entering into remaining part. Strings are coming, no? Monday. So there we touch the remaining part. So students should have this clarity. In object-oriented flower, one syllabus will be going on. The object-oriented programmer can pick logical components. Logical components means only 3. That is selection statements, iterative statements, branching statements. These 3 you can learn from anywhere. These 3 available, common in all the languages, you can learn from anywhere. These are common in all the languages, you can pick it. In that process, when the methods comes, 1 or 2 programs, we increase some level and come. Right? And we stop it that also. Again, we pick that level slowly in the next coming. After constructors completed today, anyway, ID Eclipse is coming today. So there we pick some level and come. That is the order and the process. Anyway, you know variable, you know method. Then I brought block. The set of statements declared within the flower bracket executed automatically is known as block. Automatically means as a code writer, I am not calling. It is running automatically is known as block. These blocks are categorized in Java into 2 types. Static block and non-static block or instance block. The block declared with static keyword, we call it as static block. The block declared without a static keyword is known as instance block. Static block is executed with the highest priority while class loading. Here, while class loading means when the class loading completed, immediately the static block will run. That's the meaning behind it. Class loads only once. Because of this reason, static block executes only once. My class loader will say good morning, sir, in the morning to me when I comes. Right? Again, I'll come in the afternoon. He never says. Again, I'll come in the evening. He never says because class loads only once. My static block executes only once. Roughly I'm speaking. I mean, here also same. Class once came onto JVM. It is available there. It never goes until you shut down the JVM. Until you shut down the JVM. When you shut down the JVM, then the class will go. Means what? Class loads only once. Static block executes only once. Understood this point now? Right. Instance block is executed while object creation. While object creation. Right? With the highest priority anyway. While object creation with highest priority. Means what? Constructor is there also. Static instance block will have highest priority in execution. This instance block is executed for all the multiple object creations. If I create 2 objects, instance block will run for 2 times. If I create 3 objects, instance block will run for 3 times because we made a statement. Instance block is executed for all the multiple object creations. It's a theory. And you had a static block, you had an instance block. So instance block is not available in the market, means less used. As a code writers, we use very less. But static block is having its design in the real-time market, holding database connection codes in DAO layer. I made a statement to you. After getting information about your static block, then I started your constructors 2 days back. Constructor comes under method category, having the same name of the class and executed while object creation, because constructor call is available in object creation syntax. And this, while declaring constructor, we must not use return type, because constructor by default having class return type, because class name is there. Now these constructors are categorized into only one type based on static keyword. That is, static constructor not there, only non-static constructor is available. In this non-static constructor parameter, based on the parameter, constructors are categorized into 2 types: zero parameter constructor and parameterized constructor. You understood that. Majorly constructors are used to initialize instance variables while object creation. If we take the support of constructor and initialize the instance variables while object creation, internally some execution time is saved and high performance will come. Yesterday's assignment that only. I took 3 subclasses. I kept one constructor. Whether you're able to create objects by using constructor and passing the parameter or not, I asked you to try it. Understood now? Whenever I want to say constructor importance, yesterday I took a concept. How many ways you can initialize the object? I took a concept. That concept is nothing but comparing and saying that constructor will have highest priority in your design to initialize the instance variable, because it is saving the memory. So, saving the time. It's a theory. Now here, if we declare one class without any constructors, compiler will add one constructor without parameters at compilation stage. We call it as a default constructor. So whatever the points and FAQs are written, read it. So this 4 should be under your control. JVM, I written one notes now, that no need to write that JVM, no need to read that JVM notes. Last, tomorrow interview is there, means then you read that JVM once. Among that, you must remember method area, heap area, Java stack area, PC register area, native method area. Orally, the name should be remembered before the interview. Daily, remember only 3 parts: method area, heap area, Java stack area. Method area where class loads, heap area where objects creates, Java stack area where method executes. This is the knowledge gained in this 3 weeks. Right? 6 into 3, 18 days or 18 sessions. Understood this point now? So this is the 18 sessions class. Because of this reason, what happened is, I know that if a student misses 2 days in a week, the week will be wasted. Sir, I missed 2 days in a week means he cannot understand the next class. If he is not understanding the next class he will not concentrate. Altogether, it becomes a 4 days in a week and 1 week will be missed. That impact will come to the next coming week. That only happens and student will be dropped. That only major. The major drawback is students only. Because time will not, see my time, an example, frankly I'm speaking it, I will release your batch by 10th April. Before that, the batch will be released. If I, without any leave, if I come regularly, I will come anyway. The health issue is there, I will take a break. Generally, I will come. Because I habituated to speak for 12 hours per day since 20 years. For me, health problem will not come. Because I am not a single speaker since 20 years, I'll speak 12 hours per day. So for me, threats will not come. I'll take care. I stopped drinking that cool drink since 8 years to save my tone. That's a different issue. So that issue will not get. Any urgent is that we take, but we concentrate on the batch, because your batch number is how much only? 129. Right? Before that, 128. Tomorrow, within 3 days, I'm releasing 127. I'm releasing. After 127 batch, I'm releasing by 12th. I'm releasing 28th, 27th, I'm releasing 128. Next batch is yours only. So I'll be releasing the batches by the number and coming. So I'll be concentrating on the syllabus. If any batch is deviating out of my plan, I'll call on Sundays. Understood this point? If any schedule missing out of my scope. So this batch is going out of my plan. If I feel it, I'll call on Sundays for 3 hours. I said this point starting only. Understood this point? Since 2 weeks, I am working already. Since 2 weeks. Why means last batches I affected with COVID actually. You know or not, I don't know. I affected with COVID, and after COVID immediately were my first batch. After COVID, the first batch, I stepped into this dais after COVID recover. So before COVID, I started 1 or 2 batches. There for me, 1 week break came, no? Before that Pongal break, 15 days lagging is there for batches. I'm working since 2 Sundays to compensate the time. Like this, your batch is comfortable, still it is under my hand only. Because since 1 month we are coming regularly, no? Right? Yesterday, I took 1 break on 24th, I took a break. That break also I'm trying to compensate it. I plan it. Like this, our batch will be going with the syllabus under our control. Okay, right. This practical but whatever the pending is there, one Saturday, maybe on 12th one Saturday is coming. That Saturday we are planning for practical. If not, 20 or 19th one Sunday will come. Not Sunday, Saturday will come. That Saturday we plan for practical class. That's a plan. Okay, right. With this all informations, I am going forward. So after completing variables, methods, blocks and constructors, next one is classes actually. Sir, we are under classes only. We are under class only because class only holding variable, class only holding method, class only holding block, class only holding constructor. You cannot declare variable, you cannot declare method, you cannot declare block, you cannot declare constructor without a class. Not there. We are under class. So that class construction completed actually. Right? Completed means some part it is completed. So, but according to the rules in Java, the class should be under one package. The class should be under one package. But daily you are practicing a class without a package. Observe or not now? You are creating class, running class, but answer is coming. But according to the rules of project, the class should be under package. Now we are giving training to you, creating packages and how to load the class under that packages. That's the training. Make a sliding packages in Java. Next topic. Packages in Java. We are having packages in Java. Star mark IMP. Packages in Java. Package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Underline the term classes and interfaces. Package is a collection of classes and interfaces. Packages in Java are categorized into 2 types. Packages in Java are categorized into 2 types. Packages in Java are categorized into 2 types. Built-in packages user defined packages, built-in packages and user defined packages, built-in packages and user defined packages, built-in packages and user defined packages. Make it built-in packages. The packages which are available from Java library are known as built-in packages, or you can say predefined packages. The packages which are available from Java library are known as built-in packages or predefined packages. Built-in packages or predefined packages. Or predefined because already available. The packages are already available. The following are some important packages. The following are some important packages from Java library. The following are some important packages from Java library. So core Java packages indirectly. Java.lang. Lang means language package. This package we call it as default package. Default package means if you don't write that package also, the package is available to you. That's called default. Default means automatically available for you. That's called default package. Java.lang. Java.util. Utility package. Utility package. This utility package is used for Java collection framework. From utility package, you are using scanner class daily. Daily you are bringing one scanner class from util and you are using. Whenever you are using a scanner class, we are importing java.util.scanner. You are writing or not now? But java.lang you never written anywhere because that is default available to you. From lang package, any classes came in, yes, string class, system class will come from lang package. Your string class and system class belongs to lang. But we are not writing import java.lang.system, import java.lang.string we are not writing because that is a default package. Default means automatically available to all the classes. That's called default. Sir, like this, how many default packages are there? Means only one. Java.lang is only one default package. Remaining all packages, you have to import them. Right? Okay. Java.io. Java.io. This package is files package actually. We write IO streams and files package we say. Here stream means flow, input flow, output flow. That's the meaning. It deals about input flows and output flows. And it deals about file storage. That's called java.io. It is a separate concept to you. See that. Now you are waiting for the concept. Still we are under object oriented. Still we are under object oriented. So we have to go for exception handle. We have to go for multi-thread. We have to go for Java collections, data structures. Then you have to go with IO streams and files. The separate means your Java program interacting with the files. Last part that is. Right? Okay. Right. So still we are under object flavor. Once the object oriented completed, remaining all will come inside. Remaining all are applicative. Applicative means the knowledge you are using there. That's the concept. Object oriented programming not ended because exception handling not ended. Because still I don't know object oriented, no sir. Because still interface not entered, no sir. So once it is entered, then remaining all applicative. Applicative means the knowledge of object oriented I'll apply there for collection framework. I'll apply there for networking. Remaining 4 comes under applicative. So they are very small things only. 3 days we cover it. Once you complete this object oriented, biggest thing. 80% of course depends upon object oriented. Because still interface not entered, abstract class not entered, inner classes not entered, inheritance not entered, references not entered, that flavor not entered still. So still object flavors are pending. Observe that, right? So when you come to IO streams and files, we are going to train the student how it interacts. That package is java.io package. From now only course will be interesting and this 1 month course is very important. Up to now, the 3 weeks are the base. You are constructing base for the remainings. So this 1 month class will be means almost 4 weeks will be very interesting and many levels will come. There only actual flavor is available. All will come in this 4 weeks only. Multi-threading will come, collections will come, inheritance will come, inner classes will come, interfaces will come. Even arrays will enter. So all will enter in these 4 weeks. In this 4 week schedule, almost 4 means 6. 12 means 24 sessions remaining. In these 24 sessions, remaining all components will be entering. So this part we are entering into next level. Package, we are bringing package means you are ready. You are ready. You know variable, you know method, you know block, you know constructor, you know class, you know package, you are ready for the next level. That's the meaning actually. We are preparing for the next level of introductions. That only happening now. So java.io is the third package we had, IO streams and files. Now java.net. Here .net means networking package. This is networking package. Networking package. These 4 packages, these 4 built-in packages comes under core Java category. Anyway, now advanced Java category. Java.sql. Database connection package. Database connection package. It will help us to connect to the database. Java X.servlet. Here Java X means extension library, library extended. Java library extension, Java library extension, we call it as Java X. So servlet programming. Java X dot servlet dot JSP. That is JSP programming. JSP programming. So these are the popular, important built-in packages coming from library. Now, user-defined packages, star mark IMP, user-defined packages. The packages which are defined by the programmer. The packages which are defined by the programmer are known as user defined packages. Sometimes you can say custom packages. You can say custom packages. The packages which are defined by the programmer are known as user defined packages or custom packages. Whenever we want to create these user defined packages, we use package keyword. We use package keyword to define user defined package. To define user defined package. The syntax is package keyword and give the package name. Package keyword and give the package name. Right. Now, to explain this package, let us write one program now. Okay, right. When the packages are coming, the term will come. Java project. The term will come. Now I am introducing Java project. Inside that Java project, packages. Inside that packages, classes. That is a rule. That is a construction rule. First package name will be there. Inside that package, first Java project name will be there. Inside that project name, package name will be there. Inside that package name, we had a class name, right? Okay, like this. Let us take one project. Let us take one project. You can take any one project name. Some bookstore. I will take one project. I'll take one project name as bookstore. If not employee details, if not student details, like this, you can take any. From today, you are going to create project names. Project name means project folders indirectly. One project name you are going to create it. Now, under this project, I am taking two packages. I am taking. Generally for demo purpose, I am taking two packages. I am taking. One package name is always I will take P1, one package name. One package name is P2. So this P1 and P2 are the packages. So inside this P1, I will take one class. Inside this P1, I will take one class. The class name is some book data. I will take it. I'll take one class as book data. I will take one class. In bracket to represent, I am writing it is a class. Okay, right. Book data. Inside this book data, I will take some book code. I will take it. Book name, I will take it. Book author. I am taking only three fields I am taking. Roughly, right? Book author I am taking. Book name, book code, book name, book author. They are instance variables anyway. By yesterday, you know, to initialize that instance variables, three ways are there. You can take a setter method. You can take a constructor. You can access with the object name, your wish. Which one is flexible? You can do. No restriction. Up to advanced Java, no restriction you can do. When you come to the project only, they'll say what to be taken. Until then, you can practice. Anything you want, you can practice. No restriction. But here also live project is there now for you. Web services with Spring. They go with enterprise application. Live project is there for you for NASCOM people. When the live project comes, the trainer will give a specification to you what to do. And he is going to divide the teams also. So the students who are attending that live project, if you are confirming attending regularly, not like our, no, we never ask whether you are coming regularly or not coming regularly, we never ask. But when you come to the project, they'll ask it, whether you will come regularly or not. They will ask it. Because students will not have a patience, they will not come. There we collect the data. If you are regularly coming, I'll put you into team. No, sir, 10 days I'll come, sir. After 10 days examination is there, sir. I'll go and come, sir. I mean, they will not take it. They will ask you to come with the next regular time. So student has to spend some time when the output should come. If you don't spend in a regular time, means some regular practice or regular time is there, no output will come. If you miss something, if you cannot do something, automatically connection will be missed out. So there we make a teams. So we give a task to the team. What you have to do, what you have to do, what you have to do. All these three bring together, we combined it. So how we are combining, what we are doing, the training will be done. To combine that, what tools we are using, where we are deploying, where we are maintaining, like this, we give a training that. So there some work will be available. There we give the specifications to initialize the object, what to do. Whether this variable should be in the class or in the object, we decide it. Understood this point now? Their specification will be very clear. Here, up to advanced Java, no restriction. Whatever the flexibility is there, whatever the code writing idea is there, you can write it. So you can initialize object in three ways. I am using constructor. What I am using now? Constructor I am using. Book data A, B, C. Roughly I am taking that variables because I want to initialize three variables. I am taking ABC. So definitely whenever I want to display the data, I will take it as get book data. I will take it. So these are the components available in the book data. Right? Okay. The book data is under one package P1. Package means one folder indirectly. Now, my main class, because main class, that is one subclass now, right? Main class needed now. So I am taking main class in P2. I am taking main class in P2. So I'll take this main class as book data main class. Roughly I'm writing like this, book data main class. Of course, only one method is there. Public static void main. Only one method is there. Observe this point now, right? So there book data is there. Here book data main class is there. Now from the library, from the Java library here, from the Java represents Java library. From this Java library, Many packages are there. Among that, one package is util. Yes or no? One package is util. Now, under this util package, many classes are there. Under that, one class is scanner. One class is scanner. Scanner class this is. Now, scanner class has many methods. So, next byte method, dot, next line method. Like this, many methods are there or not now? See there. Java library different. Our Java project different. Among that project, two packages. One is P1 and P2. Clear everyone? Right. So this is, I'm going to do it now. Now I'll start it as creating Java project using IDE Eclipse. How many of you downloaded yesterday? Raise your hands. Right. Okay. Now I am writing it. Star mark IMP. Creating Java project using IDE Eclipse. IDE Eclipse. Creating Java project using IDE Eclipse. So IDE means integrated development environment. Integrated development environment. Don't use IntelliJ, don't use NetBeans, don't use it, and use IDE Eclipse because it will be look very simple. You have to start with the simple. You must not go with very high level, what you cannot understand. That you have to start from here. IDEs will be common for all. If you start with the low level, and you must go. First you started with Edit Plus. Now we are entering into IDE Eclipse. After that, NetBeans, IntelliJ, slowly. Because lot more course is pending now. So slowly, you will get grip on your IDEs. Slowly. Some students will download latest one. They don't know how to use it. If you don't know how to use it, why to download it then? If you know it only, you must download it. Generally. If you don't know how to work it, you must not download it. Because you don't know how to work it now. Sir, what you know? You know Edit Plus. You must download Edit Plus and work it. So now you are entering into IDE Eclipse. Take it. In Advanced Java, one part. In in Spring, one part. In Web Service, one part. At last, project. When you reach to the project, all will be under your control. Slowly. One by one. At last, the student will get knowledge on 3-4 IDEs. Now you are entering into IDE. Integrated Development Environment. Step 1. Right. Look here. So whenever you downloaded your Eclipse, whenever you are downloading Eclipse actually, see there. Here, if we click on www.eclipse.org, here, this is the official one. Eclipse or Eclipse downloads. You can click on it. Here, one installer will come. Actually, this is one installer actually. Here, download. One installer will come. You click on the download. Within a few milliseconds, the installer will be downloaded. Click on that installer. It shows the options. Which IDE you want it. Right? So in that, Java developer and enterprise web or enterprise Java means wherever you can see enterprise word is there, you can develop it. Sorry, you can download it. See, in my system also, 2 versions will be there. Here. IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. web developers. IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Here, same Eclipse only. Here, IDE for Java developers. I download it. That IDE for Java developers, I'll be using for core Java. Enterprise developers, I'll be using for your advanced Java. I kept separately to decrease the load in my system. Right? Sitting in core Java, you can download any one. No restriction for you. Got it right? No restriction. You can download it. Download means what? When you click on installer, it will ask you which one you want it. You must select it. I want IDE for Java developers or IDE for web developers or enterprise developers. Two options will be there. You have to click it. Then within few milliseconds, it will be installed. Right? After that, extract it. You install the .exe file is there. Click on it. Installation. While inside, it asks a question to you. Can I create one shortcut on the desktop? Click on the auto selections. Automatically, icon will come on to your desktop. So this is your icons. Icons. Now, what is the step one means? Open IDE Eclipse. Open IDE Eclipse. Open IDE Eclipse. Eclipse. While opening, name the workspace. Here workspace means working folder. C drive, E drive somewhere, one working folder. Open IDE Eclipse. While opening, name the workspace and click launch. Click launch. While opening, name the workspace and click launch. So why I am introducing Eclipse today, Friday actually. Why means by today, tomorrow, by Sunday, Eclipse typing should be ended. Monday you should not have a doubt. Why means Monday string is coming inside. Strings are coming inside. Strings we are working with IDE Eclipse. So this is the 3 days time is there for you to get clarity what is happening in the Eclipse. That's all. It should be over. That's the plan I'm introducing today. Okay, right. Open IDE Eclipse. While opening, name the workspace. Click launch. See, I'm launching. I am opening my Eclipse. I'm double clicking. See there. For me, auto opening will come. From today, don't open Edit Plus because the journey ended. Okay, right? Don't open your command prompt. Journey ended. All are inside the Eclipse. From today, remaining all chapters are under Eclipse. For me, auto opening came. Actually, for you, one window will come. The window I'll show it. For you, first time, no, for you, one window will come. Other. Like this, one window will come to you. For you, workspace, one window will come. Now, here, 7 a.m. (7 a.m.) 129 I am taking. NASCOM 129. Your batch number I am giving there. Okay, right. Now, workspace means folder. Where you are working, E drive, D drive, F drive. I created demo 129. Like this, I am creating some folder there. Here, one option is there, no launch. Right? So, name the workspace. Click on launch. So, it creates the folder and come. It go to the E drive, create one folder and come back. It takes some time. IDE, it has to collect all libraries and come. It only will look all the libraries and bring it. So it brought all the libraries to you. Now, right here, one welcome window will come. Anyway, welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, right here, one cancel button is there. Cancel it. Click on close. It has been closed. Clear now? There is a window 5. Here we have to create the project. Here we have to create the project. In this window, the project should be created. Now comes step 2. Step 2. Create Java project. Create Java project. Create Java project. What is the Java project? I decided now. Bookstore. Roughly I took one name. Right? I'm going to create one Java project. Name is Bookstore. I'm going to create it. Okay, right. See there. Create Java project. How to create Java? Here, create one Java project option will be there. Anyway, beyond that, I'll show internally. Here, click on file here. Here, one option is there, no file. Click on file, new. Here, project one option is there. Can you see here? For me, Java project directly coming because daily I'll be working with Eclipse. Only starting batches I'll type in edit plus. Remaining all up to advanced Java. Per day I'll run 6 batches, no? In that 6 batches, now your batch is entering into Eclipse. Remaining all batches by default, you can touch any my senior Java student. He'll be attaching server and he'll be running. He also came from your stage only. You come to 11M batch and they'll be running servers through Eclipse. They'll be running 1 or 2 servers. They'll be running. Starting will be complexity. 1 or 2 practices over. We also. My students will run servers directly from the Eclipses. You also will run it. Don't worry. Within 1 month. Anyway. Now, I'm entering into file, new, here. So, I'm running daily many Java projects. No? So, for me, auto reflection is coming. For you will not come. So, you have to select project here. Can you see project? Right. So, click it. Write this. Write the point. So, click on file, new, project. You can see the option project. In that project, you can see the option Java. Under that, you can see Java project. You can see. Click on file, new project. Under that project, option is Java. Under that Java, you had an option known as Java project. Means you have to select that Java project. I'll show it. See there. Now, click on file, new, project. Here, can you see option Java? Right, Java. Click on Java. Can you see Java project? Select this Java project. Click on next. Like this. Write it. Select Java project. And click next. Click next. Name the project. After that, give the project name. Name the project. And click finish. Click finish. Name the project and 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 click finish. See there, I am naming the project now. I'll come back once again. Click on file, new, project, Java. Select Java project. Click on next. Name the project. Here, Bookstore is the project. Project name. Don't touch the remaining fields. It only will take automatically. I am using 16, Java 16, it only taken automatically. Your JRE will be taken automatically. It only will take it. You don't touch anything. Just to give the project name. Here one sub. Can you see the button here? Finish. Click on finish. Automatically the project created. But here, very careful. Here, new model information dot Java. Here you create. Don't create your mess. That always you must say don't create. Remember this point. Don't create. Any window is there. Don't create. If you are not understanding, tomorrow clarify. Bring your laptop and clarify it. Tomorrow it should be clarified. Saturday. Okay, right. So here my project is created with name what now? Bookstore. Here bookstore. Auto reflection of library. This is Java library. Eclipse will bring all your library and give integrated development environment. I only will bring what you wanted. That only Eclipse. So it only will bring what you wanted. So it brought total Java library. It is brought it. Anyway, so it is available. So project is created here. It is a project. Sir, after creating project, next what, sir? Create packages. How many packages are now? P1 and P2. So create package. Create packages in project. Create packages in project. Make it step 3. Create packages in Java project. Create packages in Java project. Right. Sir, where I should create in Java project? Here, one SRC will be there. This is Java project bookstore. Click on it. You can find SRC. SRC means source code. SRC means source code. Means you are writing the code there actually. In this SRC, you have to create a package. Means whenever you want to create a package, make it. Right click. Right click on SRC, new package, comma, name the package and click finish. Name the package and click finish. Right click on SRC, new package, name the package and click finish. Now repeat this process for number of packages. How many packages are there? You must repeat it. See there now. Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC, new. You can see the option here. Package. Can you see here? Package. Click on this package. Here name. Name that package now. Package name is P1. Package name is P1. Click on finish. Here one package. This is the package created. Observe this all of you. Right. The same way I must create P2. No. I must create P2. Now right click on SRC. New package. I am creating P2. Click on finish. P1, P2. Two packages created. Sir, after creating packages, next what, sir? So in the diagram, in each package, one class is there, no? Right. Here book data is there. Here book data main class is there. Now create classes in packages. Create classes in packages. Make it. Step 4. Create packages. Sorry. Create classes. Classes in packages. Create classes in packages. Create classes in packages. Now look here. The package should be created, the class should be created under package. So right click on the package. So here, according to the diagram, P1 is holding book data, P2 is holding book data main class. So create book data first. Create book data first. So right click on P1 means what? Here point is right click on package, new class, name the class and click finish. Name the class and click finish. Right click on package, new class, name the class and click finish. Right. See there, I'm doing it out. Now I will take P1 package I am taking. Right click on P1, new. Can you see here class? Class. Here name the class now. Class name is book data. What is the naming convention of class? The starting letter must be capital. Suppose if I write B lowercase, here one warning will come. Then type name is discouraged. By convention, Java type names usually start with an uppercase. Means what? Eclipse is understanding the Java rules. Now, book data, click on finish. Now the class will be generated with a very small font. Package name P1 under that. Sir, increase the font. To increase the font, I am writing the step to you. You have to record it. Make it note, N-O-T note. To increase screen font. Click on window. See there. Here one option will be there. Can you see window here, all of you? Click on window. Can you see preferences? You have to click on preferences. Click on window. Preferences. After clicking on preferences, you can see general. Can you see general here? Click on general. Click on general. Under general, you can see appearance. You can see appearance. Appearance. Under appearance, see there. Colors and fonts. Click on appearance. Can you see colors and fonts? Colors and fonts. To increase screen font, click on window, preferences, general, appearance, colors and fonts. Now click on this colors and fonts. When you click on this colors and fonts, you can see Java here. Can you see Java? Right. So click on that Java. After clicking on this Java, you can see the option now. Java editor text font. You can see Java editor text font. You can click on that ... Remaining you can understand by clicking. Okay, see there. I am clicking Java editor text font. Remaining, you know, no? Right. So select bold. I am selecting bold. I am going with 22. Click on OK. Apply and close. Size increase, no? Getting or not now, right? So whenever you want to see the big screen, just double click on this tab. It will be seen. Again, you click it will be minimized. Understood now? Now here you type the program. This is the program. See there. Package name. What is the package name now? P1. So create package. The syntax is what now? Package name. You given one package name, your Eclipse created. Sir, why public came here? From today, all the classes will be public. So definition will come tomorrow because public protected default, the definitions will come by tomorrow. Today, all are public. The class is public. Inside this class, I am taking variables. So public string, book code, book name, book author. So that is public. Now, public one constructor, book data. Here, string A, string B, and string C. This is one constructor. Now, book code is equal to A, book name is equal to B, book author is equal to C. Now, public. So, whatever the methods you are writing, you must write public only. All are public. I'll give the reason. Right? Public void get book data. Book data, one method. Here, see there. System dot. One window is coming now. It is saying that I only will show the total library to you. So system dot you said no. In the system, what is available, I am showing to you. Whatever you want, you select it. So Eclipse will be helping you. 80% work will be done by the Eclipse. Error-free code will come. You are getting some compilation errors. No, sir, error is coming, sir. You are correcting, again you are going back, again you are running or not now. That headache not there from today because Eclipse will correct it. It shows one red mark there. If you are not understanding, you can keep the cursor on that red mark. It will give an idea to you what to do. So Eclipse IDs will give an error-free code out very fastly. So here I want system.out. System.out. See, auto reflection from the library. Whatever you want, like this, the total library will be shown. Whatever you want, you can show it out. Here, spelling mistakes will not come because it only will show to you. Say that starting letter, automatically the method will come out. It only close the open floor bracket. 50% you write, remaining 50% it will do. So it only will be doing the work in the background to you because that is the advantage of Eclipse. Why you not given starting, sir? Starting means you must type manually, no? LKG students should do manual, no? If all are automated, what happened today? Our personal intelligence are becoming weaker and artificial intelligence becoming stronger. Because we are bounding ourselves to the smart areas, no? Very easy as there means human being will go there. Sir, that course is very easy, sir, I'll go there. Hard is there means I will never come, sir, because I never work. For working, not there. Easiness. I will not write. I will not listen. I will not come. But I want 6 lakhs per annum, sir. I will not work, sir. Per day, 4 hours I cannot sit. I will not come to the classes regularly. I will not write the notes also. I will not do your assignments, but I want 7 lakhs per annum. How it is possible? Without working, without writing, without hard work, how it is possible? Student will ask us, sir, how much the company is paying us? First you say, what is your capability? whether you are worth enough to take 7 lakhs and 8 lakhs. The company will pay you if you are worth enough to 18 lakhs, they'll pay you only. Java developer can reach up to 28 to 35 lakhs, you can reach it. Under the mind will be blasted. That is different issue. Because without work, who will give only? Management criteria, without resource producing a code, who will pay you? Maybe for 6 months or 8 months, they'll pay you freely. They'll test you. If you cannot work on bench, after that on road. First, the term is on bench. On bench meaning is on road indirectly. I'll pay you and give a choice for 3 months. After that, decide it. Whether you can produce it or not produce it. Because I'm not going to pay you. If you go out, one more will come. Because per year, thousands of engineers on the road. We can pick it. Yes or no? Right. Because of this reason, we Java trainers, at least for a few days, will give the manual code. That only edit plus. At least you will learn it. Now I am introducing Eclipse. From now, all auto reflections only. String class, these many methods will be there. You cannot remember because I am bringing ID Eclipse. Once you say string dot means it shows all the methods to you. From that you can select. You want concat method, you had comparison method, you had substring, you had equals, you had comparator, that will show you. You can pick it. For that I am giving this ID Eclipse to you. It is a auto reflection area. Indirectly, I am printing book details. Book details I am printing. Now, system dot out dot print ln. Now I am printing B code. I'll write B code lowercase here. It gives error there. One red mark will come. So it is compiling my code parallelly. And I can see there. Why this red mark came? I can see there. B code cannot be resolved to a variable. Please cross check it. It's giving the information there only, no? I'll see the spelling. Spelling is a B code C capital, no? I can write C capital. Means code writer can correct the error while typing. Here what happened? After typing, I am going to edit. Compiler, sir, I am running. 25 errors are coming. I am confused, sir. Here, there only error will come. That is the advantage. So he can rectify that and go forward. That only we say error-free code. That is the flexibility we had. Anyway, while you are typing, you will be experiencing more. If you know how to, your resume also must be updated with IDs. How many IDs you must know? You must update. Now you know ID Eclipse after 10 days. After that, I'll train NetBeans. I'll train IntelliJ. Like this, I know IDs. List you must write it. I worked on these IDs. Why means company will count that? Because if you know ID, you can produce the code more fastly. No, sir, I worked on Notepad, sir. Black and white screen means no. Still you are in the 1990s and 1994s. So on that day, the IDs are not there. They worked. For you, IDs are there, no? So at least the student should know 1 or 2 IDs. Today scenario. Now, B name anyway. Now here system dot out dot print ln. Here, what is this? B author. B author. Here B author we had. Okay, fine. Look here. After this class typing has been completed now. Now what is the next class now, sir? Book data main class. Can I create book data main class now? Right. Now this program created under P1. Now I am creating under P2 now. Right click on P2. Right click on P2. New and class. Class name is what now? Book data main class. Book data main class. Main class means public static void main must be there now, right? Here one option is there now. So public static void main. Check it. Means select that. Click on finish. Now main class is loaded with public static void main. All of you understood this now, right? Now I am importing scanner, no? Daily I am importing scanner, no? Right. Sir, why you are importing scanner? See the diagram. Why you are importing scanner means, sir, scanner is sitting outside my package. Scanner is not available in the P2 package, no? Yes or no? Na? In the P2 package, main class is there. Scanner is available outside or not now? I am importing. I am importing. This is import. Import scanner from where? From util. Where is util? Util belongs to Java. So import java.util.scanner. I am bringing the scanner into my class. Understood this point now, right? Okay. Now, without importing, if I write scanner, error will come now. Yes or no? Na? Right. System.in. Right. Right here it says I cannot be resolved to a type. Scanner cannot be resolved. Cannot be resolved means I cannot identify it as a component. Okay, right. Now I must write what now? Import java.util. See, it is giving all the packages. Which package you want? Java.util.scanner. I'm importing or not now? Right. Now I want to create object for book data. Book data, some BD is equal to new book data. I am creating. It says error. Book data not available in the P1, no? Yes, sorry. Book data is not available in the P2, no? Yes or no? Na? Again, you have to do importing or not now. So if it is not available, you must do what now, sir? I must do import. So which class is not available? That should be imported. Sir, daily you are not importing subclass because both are available together only, no? Subclass above, main class down. Both are sitting together. So not import. But today, book data outside the P2 now, I am importing. So import. How to import now? Import book data. Book data belongs to which package now? P1. So P1 dot book data. Import P1 dot book data. Don't write Java dot P1 because P1 not belongs to Java, no? Right. Simply you say that book data belongs to P1. See there. Here import P1 dot book data. Error will go. Why error is coming here means constructor call. The constructor book data is undefined. Means what? Sir, you must call the constructor with parameters, no? Yes or no? Na? This is one constructor call. So their constructor is with parameter, no? So here read the data now. So system dot out dot println. Enter the book code. I am reading into one local variable. String book code is equal to s dot next line. See, methods are coming and the total scanner methods are coming. S dot next line. Daily I will be typing a projects only within 1-2 hours because of Eclipse. Because 50% it will work me. Right, in a single sessions we'll be typing the projects here because of fast code writing of this book name. Here book author. Book author. Now I must pass as parameter no here. That only you practiced yesterday, no? Yes or no? Na? Book code, book name, book author. Now call the method for execution now. BD dot get book data. Now the program is ready. Understood now? The new thing today is nothing but, sir, you are using import for your subclass. Understood now? So here I am going to write the definitions about import. Import definition, types of import. What is the difference between import and include? In the C language you had include or not now? We'll write the definitions here. And why you used public? What is public? What is protected? What is default? What is that? What is it? Private. So these definitions will be given here. Got it right? Now let me run this program now. Before running it, right, look here. Now, after the class construction completed, step 5, make it. Execute the program. Execute the program. How to execute the program means open main class. Open main class. Click on run. Click on run. And run. Open main class. Click on run and run. Open main class, click on run and run. Option is there. See there? I'm running. Open this main class. This is main class open only now here. This is main class. Can you see run here? Beside this window you had run here. What happened? What happened? Line number 6. This is not error and warning. This yellow mark. Line number you said. Line number 11. Book author. Okay. Spelling mistake. Right. Okay. Now I am running now. This is the main class now. Click on run. Here one more run is there. No? Run it. There one window will come side. Enter the book code A121. Enter the book name now. So C language Adar Balaguru Swami. Nah. Answer is coming now. Right. No edit plus no command prompt. The compilers, everything available here only. Integrated development environment. They're only writing, they're only saving, they're only executing. That's called integrated development environment. You can see the output side. If I want to run it now, again you run it. Click on run, run. Run there only. How many number of times you want to run it, you can run from there. Here book name, Adar, roughly. Getting or not now? This practice you have to make it. I'll attach this program to you, run it and come. Okay, right. So type the program and run it and come. So example program, I'll attach it. So project name, package names, I'll write it and send it to. Time is over. Take a break. Okay, right. Why we are rushing means new batch now. The students would be waiting. Almost 100 will be there. Right. Okay, right. Thank you very much for today. So run it and come. I'll attach these notes to you very clearly by 1:30. Okay, right. Okay.